Hi guys, it's Michelle and I'm here to do another wig review with you, and this one is another very exciting, awesome, lovely style from Jon Renau. Now this is Celeste. Celeste I'm wearing in shade FS27, which is strawberry syrup, and I just am a wee bit in love. This is really beautiful. It's got all these layers. Celeste has these layers here, and then just that kind of kinked out, deconstructed, wavy type look to her. Just really gorgeous. It looks like you've been to the salon, had a blow dry and had some body added into your hair. Now this is heat friendly fibre, so if you want you can obviously straighten her, you can add more of a curl, you can kind of vary it up, you can change it as often as you like to change it. Very easy to do that with an HD wig, a heat friendly wig. But for me, I actually really love this style, and this is just like, this is the kind of thing that when I can be bothered styling my human hair and spending lots of time doing a decent blow dry on her, I'll maybe do this, but only if I'm going to an occasion or doing something, because I'm very lazy. But it doesn't matter if I'm being lazy with this wig, because she's just going to hold this style. It's so beautiful. I am so excited that I got her in FS27. As you guys may or may not know, it is one of my ultimate favourite shades of all time, and not all styles come in FS27 colour. So when I saw that the Celeste and the Dawn wig that we're launching were both coming in FS27, I was like, that's the colour I need. So she is so beautiful, really gorgeous. I will insert all the links to the video for you guys. It is an average size of cap. We have this totally ear to ear lace front, so that allows for your kind of off the face styling, and it looks like those hairs are growing out your head. We have a single monofilament top, so you can wear this parted left, right, centre, zigzag, mixed up, whatever you like, and it's going to look very natural. We have open wefted sides and back on the cap. I'm just going to take it off and show you actually, because it's just easier probably. Yeah, so ear to ear lace front, single mono top, open wefted sides and back, your extended nape with your velcro adjusters, and your velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays inside. Now this is another one that when Jon Renau have created her, it is just so versatile. Even if you don't change up that curl pattern, like I'll probably not be changing it. Well, not just now, I won't be anyway, not for a good while. Maybe eventually one day I will, but I don't know. But with these different kind of layered lengths that we have, you can grab her and shove it in a ponytail, and then if you shake your head, that kind of shorter parts from the front fall down, which just looks natural and kind of nice and soft and beautiful, and just creates this really lovely look. And you don't feel like you need to be messing about with trying to get loads of baby hairs and stuff into it, because the way that they have the lengths of this style built in, it just means that even from box, if you want to shove it up, though there are parts at the front that are slightly shorter that will kind of just sit nice and soft around your face, which is really beautiful, and I think very flattering to pretty much everybody. Like, I certainly, for me, I feel like if my hair's all pulled up, like my wig's all pulled up and tied up, for me, I don't think I've got a face that can pull that off. For me personally, I just like to have some hair down or some bits down just to kind of soften things a bit. Some people can just totally pull off the all off the face look and look totally incredible, but I personally don't think I can. So for me, I actually just really love when these kind of longer bangs or shorter layers are in just small amounts, not huge amounts, but just a small amount incorporated to the wig. It just kind of, it just makes me happy. I just love it. I do really love the way that they have done this. It does look like a wee salon style has been done. Likewise, if you feel it's a wee bit, if you feel, oh, I would prefer it to be more wavy, more curly, very easy to add that with heat tools like your tongs, or if you go, I want to have it straighter, you can just use your kind of flat irons and you can just straighten her right on out. If you decide you want a bit more curl here at the front, or you want the front to be totally straight, or you know, whatever, you just make it your own. In a box, it's a wig. On your head, it is your hair, so just do what you would do and have your own style and wear it your own way, and it's really exciting that we can actually do that. So this launch from Jon Renau, these HD fibres are just absolutely stunning. They are really beautiful. I am so happy and really honoured to be able to kind of review these wigs and to show you guys. because they really are wonderful, and it's hard knowing what to buy and where to go, and like if you're getting a new wig, what's it going to be like, and quality wise. And certainly I would say consistency wise, John & O are always top notch. I do love the quality, the consistency. I always feel like I know what I'm going to get with John & O. It's always going to be something good quality, and that's not a worry because it's expensive when we have to buy wigs. They're not cheap, so you know, it's, for me, I like to know I'm investing my money somewhere that's going to give me a good return, and certainly like with these new HD wigs as well, I really have a bit of a love for HD fibres nowadays, and yeah, it just makes it so exciting, and it's just so much easier for me to kind of deal with. HD fibres are slightly finer denier, so the actual kind of circumference of each of the hair strands is finer than the standard synthetics. Standard synthetics tend to be made with an acrylic based fibre, whereas your heat friendly fibres, like this is a Futura 2, which is polyester based fibre, they are finer. And then, so when you guys will know, if you've been wig wearers for a long time, if you wear especially longer wigs, if there's any kind of rubbing against your clothes, then that can cause this kind of staticky, almost frizzy look, and it's just this kind of static shearing that causes it to start looking frizzy. Now, when that happens on a standard synthetic wig, it involves getting a steamer and having to steam and do a lot of work to kind of combat that. To save you having to fork out for a new wig straight away. It's a long process. The great thing with heat friendly fibres, they can be more prone to frizzing up more quickly because they are more gentle fibre, and one good way to kind of prevent that happening too quickly is to use the John & O HD Smooth Detangler Spray before you wear. It's got a kind of silicone base to it, which puts a slight coating so that that's maybe rubbing against your clothes and rubs off, as opposed to the fibres rubbing till they frizz. But if you do have frizzing, it does not mean that the wig is done. It is absolutely normal, and it is to be expected that that can happen. All you need to do is grab your flat irons, and then say the ends of this start to frizz up, just get a wee comb them, and then just run your flat irons over, and that will remove the frizz. Yeah, I always use a heat protection spray before I use any heat on my wigs, if they are heat friendly wigs obviously. Then I'll use a heat protection spray first, and daily I'll use the HD Smooth Detangler just for the longevity of the wigs, because they are expensive and we do want them to last as long as possible. So, you know, investing in these other products like the HD Smooth Detangler, I 100% recommend for any synthetic or HD wig, like especially for HD wigs, also for synthetic wigs, because it actually really does make a difference to how long your wig lasts, and then it saves you having to fork out for a new wig massively quickly. And you don't totally have it all like your wig's crunchy with the product. I mean, like 2 or 3 sprays over like a long wig will cover it, and then you use your comb and comb through. So yeah. Yes, this wig is Celeste by John & O, shade FS27, and I just wanted to show you guys. She's really gorgeous, so thank you for tuning in. Take care, keep sparkling, be real beautiful, and I'll see you guys again very soon with another wig review. Mwah. Bye!